Imagine a war where there are no human pilots, no trigger fingers, just silent machines, blazing lasers, and artificial intelligence making decisions faster than any soldier ever could. The battlefield is changing forever. The future of warfare is no longer a distant fantasy. It's here, right now, and the US Army is at the center of this technological revolution. In the past, wars were fought with muscle, manpower, and metal. But the next war, it'll be fought with microchips, sensors, and autonomous killers in the sky. The US Army is undergoing a massive transformation. Every soldier, every unit, and every weapon is being upgraded, digitally and robotically. The Pentagon isn't just building better rifles, it's building a new kind of soldier. A soldier enhanced by AI, supported by drones, and protected by laser shields. This is not science fiction. This is the US Army's future command, and it's rewriting the rules of combat. What if you could take out an incoming missile at the speed of light? That's the promise of direct energy weapons, better known as military-grade lasers. The US Army is pouring billions into this technology to counter drones, rockets, and even hypersonic weapons. Mounted on armored Stryker vehicles, this 50-kilowatt laser can track and destroy enemy drones in mid-air with pinpoint accuracy. No explosive needed, just a silent beam of light. The advantage is unlimited ammo, as long as there's power, no recoil, near instant impact. The laser never misses. There's no boom, no smoke trail, just a quiet, invisible strike that melts its target in the sky. And it's already being tested on real US Army units. The US Army's long-term goal: mount even more powerful lasers on tanks, helicopters, and aircraft to create a fully shielded force that can destroy anything that enters its airspace. In modern warfare, speed is everything, and no human can process battlefield data faster than an algorithm. The US Army is deploying artificial intelligence, AI, to take control of decision-making, targeting, surveillance, and even mission planning. Project Maven, JIC, and Shield AI are just the beginning. Imagine this: a soldier on the ground is instantly fed satellite data, enemy positions, and real-time drone footage, all analyzed and prioritized by an AI assistant. A vehicle can identify threats before a human sees them. An AI can recommend strike targets and call in artillery with near-perfect accuracy in seconds. This is called the Joint All-Domain Command and Control (JAD-2) system, a battlefield-wide neural network linking soldiers, machines, satellites, and AI into one combat brain. But it doesn't stop at support roles. The Army is training autonomous ground vehicles and AI-powered tanks that can patrol, engage enemies, and even perform rescue missions without human control. These machines don't sleep, don't hesitate, and don't panic. If AI is the brain, and lasers are the sword, then drones are the wings of the US Army's future war machine. The age of drone warfare is here, and the US Army isn't just flying individual drones anymore, it's commanding swarms. Loitering munitions, also known as kamikaze drones, can hover above a battlefield, lock onto a target, and dive in for a strike, all autonomously. They're cheap, they're fast, and they're deadly. US Army projects like Air-Launched Effects, AIL, are deploying miniature drones from helicopters and aircraft to scout enemy positions, jam radar, and even drop explosives. These aren't your backyard quadcopters. They're part of a coordinated system: airborne reconnaissance, cyber attack, and lethal force, all in one. And the real game changer: drone swarms controlled by AI, capable of overwhelming enemy defenses, dodging anti-air fire, and adapting their flight paths mid-mission. This is not warfare, it's a storm in the sky. With all this tech, what happens to the soldier? They become more powerful than ever. The US Army is rolling out integrated visual augmentation systems, IVAS, augmented reality helmets, that let soldiers see through walls, navigate in total darkness, and get real-time data right in their visor. It's like giving every soldier the HUD from a video game, but in real life. Enhanced body armor, exoskeletons, AI-assisted weapons, biometric sensors. Every US soldier is becoming part of a networked force, where machine and human operate as one. With all this tech, what happens to the soldier? They become more powerful than ever. The US Army is rolling out integrated visual augmentation systems, IVAS, augmented reality helmets, that let soldiers see through walls, navigate in total darkness, and get real-time data right in their visor. It's like giving every soldier the HUD from a video game, but in real life. Enhanced body armor, exoskeletons, AI-assisted weapons, biometric sensors. Every US soldier is becoming part of a networked force, where machine and human operate as one. The future isn't coming, it's already here. Lasers that can melt drones, AI that can wage war faster than thought, drones that fly, think, and kill without fear. The US Army is no longer just training soldiers, it's building a war machine, where humans and machines fight as one. This is the next battlefield, and it changes everything. This is the future of war.